We have some Frankenstein stitching. And what we... Oh, wow. It just turned off the climate by itself. Someone was roasting marshmallows inside this. Hello there, my little monkey minions. Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're back at, you know what that means right there. Yeah, this is Copart, and I have walked all the way to the back part of this gigantic lot. This is row, I think it's I, and this is probably, I don't know, 20 acres or something of cars. They have so many cars and trucks. I'm on the hunt for one in particular, and we're gonna see what else we can find because I have some money in my pocket. It's burning a hole, and I need to find a cool car to use on this YouTube channel. Of course, I'm looking for nice cars for you as well. So with that, let's kind of walk up and down the rows and see if we see anything interesting. Yep, I found something. Look at this right here. This is a 2011 Honda CRZ. You don't see these that often, okay? Look at the tires. You got GT, Maxtura. Yeah, you got matching tires on the front and the back, and they look like they have a lot of tread on them right there. 195, 55, 16, Max Tour LX. Okay. This is not a CRV. Like I said, it's a CRZ right here. It is the hybrid, and it's a pretty good looking car. Okay, the damage, we're coming up to the damage. Other than you get this all the time, okay, the clear coat red issue. Anytime there's a red car, I don't know why the clear coat lets go. So apparently she got whopped on the side of her head right here. The damage is not that extensive. Get yourself a bumper. You may be even able to salvage that if you're good at plastic welding. The light seems to be okay. Get yourself a fender or fix that. And of course, probably a tie rod end, axle shaft, something like that. And you're good to go, okay? But it's clear coat issues. See this right here? Yeah, clear coat issues. It's a good looking little car. It really is. To be 12 years old, and see, look at the tires. Look at the tread on the tires. Perfect. Let's go inside. See, here's a great example. Clear coat. It just lets go. It really does, no matter how often you wax it. And that's on several makes, not just Mercedes and not just on Honda. This is a nice looking inside. It smells like it's been cleaned recently. We have some Frankenstein stitching right here. So maybe the airbag went off and they just kind of sewed it together. You will definitely need to get that seat cleaned. I'm not sitting in that seat at all. No, thank you. You don't even get rear seats in this. Let me see if I can make this work. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Is this just a cubby hole and this folds down, or does it just... Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, you and your significant other can take all kinds of luggage and go wherever you want to go in your Honda CRZ. Let's see if we can get her to start. As far as the dash, this is kind of modern. The light is on. It's a blue light. I don't know if you can see right through there. So I think she's going to start for us. Let's just see what happens. Ooh. There it is. Oh, look at that. I probably shouldn't turn this too much because that wheel. Look how the zero is kind of set back from your RPM right there. That's weird. It's like a heads-up display for the speed right there, because it kind of moves. And if I go over here, it disappears. See that? Nice. Okay, check your ABS system right here. Got your ABS light there. Traction control light is on. A little over half a tank of gas. Check the VSA system. Doors open. We can fix that problem. Here we go. And it's just the ABC and the... There you go, VSA systems. Okay, I like this. This is nice. Air conditioning works great. Turn that back on. Here you got your front, rear defrost, circulation, sport, normal, eco, mirrors. You can switch it from kilometers to miles per hour. I don't know if that works. I'm trying to get it to switch. Okay. Your battery, almost fully charged right here. Here's your window switches. These are going to work. And look how this is kind of concave almost right here. Oh, this is nice. 59 degrees. Let's hit the air conditioning because this is mid-February and it's going to be almost 80 degrees today. You have a little USB port right here. Power outlet, auxiliary. What did they listen to? Oh, classic rock. That's a good sign. This is a nice little car. What do you think about this? How much will it go for? Let's take a look at the engine real quick. We'll take a look at the back area as well. There's your hood button. Where's your trunk release? We'll turn off the AC. Here it is. A lot of access. You can hide whatever you want back here for protection. CRZ. I guess that's a subwoofer too. Nice. Okay. Super quiet engine. Oh, the front. Yeah, they got a lot of cracks in the front. Integrated motor assist. Honda hybrid system over here a little. That is the smallest battery I have seen in a car ever. An interstate. That's teeny tiny. Brake fluid probably needs to be changed. There is a little vibration to the engine. Look at the little belt. Everything is tiny in this car, but I like it. I do. All right, what do you think about this? Well, who was that? Barbara Streisand that said, "Hello, gorgeous." Yeah, look at this. 2013 Dodge Ram Longhorn edition in this, I don't know what even color I would consider this, like a greenish bronze over a gold. That's gorgeous. Okay, because it's the Laramie Longhorn, she's loaded. She is loaded up. And look how even the wheels match the paint. Look at that. I love that. So what's wrong with her? Why are you here? This is my Coca-Cola. That's my little bag. Well, okay, we have what looks to be a air conditioning compressor. We got almost a flat tire right here, but these wheels are incredible. I really can't see what's going on in there. A lot of tread on the tires, but look at this thing. I like it. We got some paint coming off. Is this original paint or has someone, it almost changes color. This, man, give this car a wax and a nice little cleaning. She would be beautiful. Okay, we may have some cracking on the windshield. Let's just kind of see what's going on the inside of what we, oh, wow. Okay, well, very unexpected. I don't know. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smell. Yeah, that's, woo. Here she is. She used to be, look at the seats. Stitching on the seats. Look at this. This is way over the top. This was way cool. And then something went awry. Look at that. Still got your Coca-Cola. Oh, they drank Coke Zero, just like me. What's happening back here? Okay, well, got a sleeping bag, all kinds of stuff. I mean, this burned for a long long time, and the windows aren't tinted. That's just the smoke and the soot. She just, wow. Yeah, that's a deal breaker. Let's go back on this side, see if we can find the point of origin for the far. Was it something on this side? Because it looked, I can't even get this side open. Oh my. Yeah, someone was roasting marshmallows inside this. That's bad. That is so bad. Okay, well, something went awry, and I'm sorry. Unless you want to do the whole new interior. This one's, I don't know what your future holds, but it's probably not very pretty for you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, because you were such, look at the color. Look at the color. That is beautiful. But we must move on unless you're interested in completely redoing the wiring in the inside of a Dodge. So let's move on. I cannot tell you how many Dodge Challengers and Chargers I see out here in the yards. I see these are a dime a dozen. They really, really are. And most of them have pretty good damage. This one doesn't seem to have a whole lot of damage. She went for a ride in the field. That's obvious. There's grass at all four corners. This one, I believe, is a 2017. Is that what this is? No, a 2019 Dodge Challenger with some front damage. Okay, so you need a bumper. You will need a headlight, a fender, and then we'll get under here just to see what's going on. It's got a scoop engine right there, which I think is kind of cool. This has the Hemi, so it's got the V8, not the V6. And if you do the research on these, they did not do very well. They were marginal in an overlap crash test. They were okay for the front, but like an overlap or a side, not well at all. Ooh, okay. Corsa exhaust. This one is pointing up a little bit. Maybe there's some damage. Oh, well, it came off. See how it's not even connected. So I can make this move. Yeah. So somewhere, whatever she went over, more grass right there. Gigantic tires that are bald in the back. May have got her on the suspension and then the exhaust as well. These are huge, huge tires. But let's get inside and see if she has any power. These being a dime a dozen, you can get them for relatively little money. There is power. You see the window go down? So that's good. Typical rental car. Vinyl, not vinyl, just material. Seats. I like the shifter. That's interesting. Ooh, whoever was driving her had her way up in the air. Okay, so can you hear the exhaust? 75,000 miles on this one. Jiffy Lube due at 76. You can hear the exhaust isn't even attached right there. But this is nice. Let me shift this down a little bit. Okay. See what's on the radio. Oh. Okay, so we got a Spanish-speaking owner. We do have a check engine light on. The exhaust is coming down a little bit. Yeah, let's see if she goes into gear. There's reverse. Look at the car behind us. Wow. Okay, that's drive. So she does go into gear. She sounds good. Let's just kind of check out the engine real quick and see what's going on. Here we go. 5.7 liter V8. In a whole bunch of cars and trucks and SUVs and everything. 2019, I don't think they have the dropped valve seals issue like I had a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it had the 5.7 liter V8. It dropped its valve seals and it was a big pain in the you-know-what. But this one seems to be running really well. Well, 70,000 miles, 75,000 miles, she should. There's a little bit of coolant, not a whole bunch. That's all right though. And you can see, yeah, well, your light, here, let me fix this. There you go. So that looks a little better. What do you think about this? I kind of like that. That was nice. I don't know why there's rocks on top of the hood. Oh, well, okay, so we may have some, I don't know, that looks kind of bent to me. Transmission cooler. I don't know. I like it in black. They got the little fancy tape on side window things here. Something went right here too. Oh, I bet they had the, yeah, the velour. Not velour, what's the word I'm looking for? The little blinds that went on right here as well. Are they in the trunk? Here you go. Oh, happy birthday! Celebrate with a Michelob Ultra and then play some tennis. Okay. Little bitty tire pump and underwear. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to touch the underwear. And a little gift. Okay. Well, here you go. 2019 Challenger. That's kind of cool. Are you afraid of this? You shouldn't be, because there are a bajillion Challengers and Chargers. Why did you just turn the climate off? It just turned off the climate by itself. I didn't touch it. Go back on. Come on. Here you go. Yeah, you find these all over the junkyards because people who drive these think it just went off again. What are you doing, car? Come on. Come on, man. Give me the cold air I need. Okay. Anyway, these are all over the junkyards because people buy these and think that they are automatically a race car driver, and then they hit the gas and lose control and crash into something. Insurance pays it off, and then they go buy a Honda. I don't know what they buy after this, but I do see a lot of people drive these very poorly. Okay, and now I'm not saying if you have one, you're a bad driver. I'm sure that you, if you're watching and you have a Challenger or a Charger, that you're a great driver. Absolutely. I guess maybe it's the younger drivers. I'm trying to get myself out of this thing I just stepped in, okay? Anyhow, let me know what you think about this car and the other ones. That truck, the outside was just gorgeous, but the inside was horrible. Now it's staying on. I taught him a lesson. That's all right. Okay, folks, please like, please subscribe. We're back with another video very, very soon. Until then, hug those kids if you got them and take them out and teach them about cars. Change the tire, change the oil, change the brake fluid. Show them how to tint a window. Anybody can do that, all right? Please do that. Get the next generation involved in cars, and the love of cars will continue. Love it. Love you. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.